friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease font size on Infinix mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to display and brightness. Just click on display and brightness. After that, again you have to scroll down to font size option. So here is the font size and this is the scale for the font size. Okay, so if you want to decrease, you just click here on the down and here the text has been decreased. Okay, and if you want to click on middle, this is the middle text size. Okay, and this is the increased text size. See, it has been increased larger, right? Before it was too small, now it has been large. Okay, so you can control by this scale the font size. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.